What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be doing a screen protector installation and we're going to see how good this actually works. I'm not going to be breaking the screen protector, but I'm going to see how easy the installation process is and how quality of a screen protector they're offering us. So we got a screen protector from New Seas. Apparently it's anti-fingerprint, smudge proof, eye protection proof, detection touch, explosion proof. What the hell? Before we get into the video, I want to tell you guys can do whatever you guys want, whatever you guys put your mind to it. All you have to do is lock in, put that phone down, and get to work. Let's get it, bros. Woo! We got the screen protector right here. We're gonna open it up with an Allen wrench like so. Oh my god, we ripped it. God damn! Put that to the side. So what comes inside of this screen protector installation kit? I'm pretty sure this is the stickers. Guide. I never understood how to use it, so we're gonna put that to the side. You got your thing to put on your iPhone, so it's a perfect. What is this called? What is this called? Oh, let's say this is like the guideline, right? You put this on your iPhone so you can put the screen protector on perfectly. That's what it is. Haha, let's get it. You have your little cleaning cloth right here. You have 3 of them because we have 3 screen protectors at a very cheap price too. I don't know why people are buying expensive screen protectors for $40 if it does the same exact thing. I got this one for $8 on Amazon. I'm gonna have the link in the description below. But yeah, let's get into it. You got your wipes, you got your wet wipe, and you got your dry wipe. So we're gonna use one of these, put these to the side. And you have your 3 screen protectors. Too easy, you guys. Nothing complicated about this. Let's install this on our iPhone. Which iPhone am I going to install this to? I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let me tell my girl I'm going to go. I'm working. I'm making videos, babe. First of all, you're going to have to take the screen protector off, the phone case. But before we do all that, you're going to want to turn off your iPhone. Boom. Now you don't have no distraction. Take this case off. Be careful with all your pictures. If you have a transparent case just like mine, leave it to the side. Kind of dirty. That's not an issue though. Look, kind of dirty. It's clean though. I try to take care of my stuff. As you can see, I have a broken screen protector. I don't know if you guys can see like the little cracks. There it is. That little crack right there. I just got the screen protector too, but the reason why I'm changing my screen protector is because obviously first it cracked, but I got a screen protector that blocks out UV lights and blue light from the iPhone, but it's not working and it's making my video quality from my front facing camera kind of greenish, and I don't like that. People think it's ugly, so we're gonna remove that, grab it from the corner and just pull it off slowly. Yeah, you can see the crack where it broke. Boom. You guys see how it's a little bit green, right? Apparently that's supposed to deflect blue light into your eye, but I don't think it really works. I'm gonna cut myself, never mind. Before you install the screen protector, you're gonna have to clean the face of the iPhone. That's where this comes handy. You're gonna open up the wet side, little alcohol swab, little 2x2, not too bad. Clean it off all the way, make sure it's super clean, because if you have an air bubble, it ruins the whole phone, and then you're mad that you have to remove the screen protector and you have to put a new one. And no one wants to do that because that's money. And money is time, and time is money. Let's go! Boom, drop it right there. Now you're gonna wanna get your dry side of the wipe. Boom, throw it to the side. Make sure you throw it away too before your mom whoops you, bro. You feel me? Start wiping it down too, as well as you were wiping it clean with the wet one. Just like so. You get in there, don't be afraid, nothing's gonna happen. Remember, everyone needs a screen protector. You have to protect your phone because these phones are so expensive for no goddamn reason. But especially, do not buy an expensive screen protector. There is no reason you should be buying an expensive screen protector because this is only worth $8 and it comes with 3. No reason for you to be buying a $50 screen protector from Verizon that breaks the next day. You might as well just raw dog it with no screen protector, bro. Wow, that is looking clean, bro. Sometimes I wish I could use my phone without a screen protector, but in this world, we're all clumsy, right? And we all need screen protectors. Let me check. Ooh, it's a little dirty. Why is it so dirty? I'm not gonna lie, you need to get your guys self a microfiber towel because I'm seeing a bunch of smug marks using the alcohol swipe and the drying thing. So 0 out of 10 for the drying process. I'm gonna just use my shirt, but damn, look at that, perfectly clean. You are gonna wanna get your dust absorber. My bad, I forgot to tell you, you do get a dust absorber. This is what collects the little particles from ever applying onto your screen protector. I'm gonna check right now if I have any. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna mess it up. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of them. I'm sure the camera's not gonna pick it up, but I can see them, but you can't. But I got you guys, take my word. One day I'm gonna become a trustworthy reviewer, bro. So what I wanna do is just tap it on there, like so. Get all those dust particles off. Look, don't even stress about it, you guys. There might be that little one little stingy particle that gets on your phone before you apply the screen protector. And now you're gonna see a little button. Not a little button, but just a little speck of dust inside of your screen protector. But don't even trip about it, it's okay. You guys wanna get the little guideline protector thingy. Put it on there, like so. There it is. Now grab one of your screen protectors out of the packaging. And it's gonna say a direction, right? This is the back side. You're gonna pull this out and boom. This is what you want to put on the iPhone, like so. Now let me see if I don't put it on backwards. Okay, so the phone's facing upwards. Too easy. We're gonna remove the back plate and do this quick. Oh no, it turned on. From top, the bottom, and just let it fall. Oh God, there it is. Now from the side, squish it down, and it should automatically, why did it turn on, bro? Hold up. But yeah, you see those air bubbles? Oh, it should go away on its own. But if it doesn't, you want to use your thumb and just kind of squish it out. There you go, baby. Get out of there, baby. Get out of there. There you go. Look at that. Oh, wait, why is it still there? Give me a sec. Damn it. Look at how perfect that looks, you guys. No air bubbles at all. But yeah, before you put it on, you want to grab it from your right to the left or from left to right. Push it down from right here, and by itself, gravity's going to take over and just squish it all the way down perfectly. You might get that bubble too, so you just want to thumb it out. But if it's getting too hard, grab a credit card and squish it out forcefully. And it should look something like this. That wasn't too bad. It only took us, what, 3 minutes, you guys? Now that I got my new screen protector on, I feel very, very confident my phone will not break in the next 3 days. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, whatever you guys want to do in your guys' life, go ahead and do it, bros. Nothing is impossible. The only thing in this world that we can't control is death, but we control our mentality. Always remember that. Never be scared to do anything. If you want to try it, go ahead, because time is so precious. Never waste a second of time in this life, because we're going to turn 80 one day, and we're going to look back and think about all the good times we had, the times we could have done something with our lives. You want to become a YouTuber? Go ahead, bros. Never be scared, because that's going to haunt you in the future. I love you guys. You guys have a great and amazing day.